try. Ja, dan. Oh ja. Oh joh. Yeah, who's next?
You ready?
Alright.
You ready?
He's ready. Yeah, signal right here. Signal to the left and then slow down. Oh, yeah. To the right, I mean. Wow.
Open my door. Hop out.
Hop on.
Put down the window.
Yeah, let's pull down this window and then let him hop out. You hop in the bed. Oh, there you go.
Smiling songs.
Entrance. We clear? Clear. Yep.
Job
hebben het zo. Toen. Yeah, that rock. There's a picture of Ruby. Toen. Geen bed. There. We're just chilling. Darpies. Damn, I haven't been here since 2023. Someone did a cover, huh? Try go up this way. Signal. Right. Slow down. Go up this way. Slow down, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, go.
Yes,
Go.
Come on.
Oh,
Risk it all.
You could set the bar
Set the bar.
beyond the stars.
Beyond the stars.
I'll do anything, anything you ask me to.
Oh yeah.
Say you want the moon, watch me learn to fly.
Oh.
Ain't a mountain you could point to. I wouldn't climb.
Oh yeah, I love your driving.
Crazy, but it's true.
Feels good.
There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. To hold your hand,
Damn, this is a nice song.
call you mine.
I like that he
Tryna be your man.
made it look. It made it sound. He made it sound reggae, bro.
Oh, I'll do anything, anything you ask me to.
Guess I have to get that part. Somebody switch. I better go drive down.
I'm driving down.
Damn, that looks nice. Oh iya, siya parang iya. This one, what yun? Oh. So in the circles, place it down and then start your old subshoe. I'm parking my Dodge right here. This is my Dodge. Argero? Or Ty? Ooh.
What, driving down?
Yeah. Argero? All you gotta do is just drive smooth like he did, bro.
Like this speed limit, you jump on Syracuse.
Hell no.
Fuck that. Hell no. This nigga.
Got it, bro.
Inshallah, somebody. Olha que a Melissa já try.
Can't keep my name out the mouth these days. Yeah, they say I live too fast to settle down. Truth is, I just ain't about these games they all play. Wanna find something stronger than the whiskey. won't ever switch my love in the cheek. You know I'ma go all out for my chick. If we ever fall out, get it right back. And if it's up, let it stick, and it's like that. You ain't even gotta say it. Misunderstood, don't need to be complicated. Ay, you know we good, no reason to be explaining. Just give me loyalty, cause love is overrated. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know you love when we shade it. Dark, they hate it when we isolated. You know we good, no reason to be explaining. Just want your loyalty, the love is overrated. Are you down to bleed the streets with me? Or could you be blinded by all these sights you see?
Oh
I'm
yeah.
willing to give you all this love I got, but no relationships involved. I just need your loyalty, that's all. Don't need love.
Makker was er weer de kijker Siragit. Shit, this whole fucking grass on fire, bro. Shit. That'd be fucked up if somebody really did that. This looked like the scene from Lion King 2. When Scar's son burned the fucking village and he had to save. Yeah. I saw the part. The one when they were little.
This way looks like the white line is going to the
Yeah, huh? Malele. Malele.
swing on toes.
Touchdown, you're gonna fucking drive us all the way back where we went in. Yeah. Shit, this is a fucking empty land, bro. They're not gonna put lions here, bro. They're gonna kill every fucking bison. Oh, you slow down. Just where you turn into the farmhouse. Yeah. Park out here?
Reverse park.
Yeah, do a fucking reverse park, bro.
Where you going, babe?
Shit, this nigga knows how to reverse park.
You gotta find where you make my body ache again. I'm just a crybaby.
There's the farm. Oh, yes. Jerry, what?
Give me a
Tight, TZ.
get some more of your medicine. Bottle of tequila. How does that sound? And you tryna open up, you warm you up a little bit. I just want
Alright, TZ, gonna drive us all the way where we came in from Antelope Island. You know where they closed it?
Where they bought?
Where we came? Yeah, drive us fast then.
I'm so sorry, baby. I'm tired of waiting. You gotta find way to make me feel alive again. I'm just a crybaby, and I'm
That's a
so
badass truck.
sad. Give
outside, countryside.
I have no Wi-Fi, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have Wi-Fi. I have no Wi-Fi.
It's been way too long since I seen you, looked you in your eyes. Ride around the town and staying out, don't wanna say goodbye. Everything's so different now, you're just what I'm missing now. But I know that I can't have you back, I guess I'm tripping now. Sometimes I start missing you crazy, ain't nothing quite like you. Love like this keeps going and going, I cannot forget you.
Watch the Shark Tank, bro.
At least we have memories, and we also got this song. Yeah. It's been way too long since I've seen you looking in your eyes. Ride around the town and staying out, don't wanna say goodbye. Everything's so different now, you're just what I'm missing now. But I know that I can't have you back, I guess I'm tripping now. Sometimes I start missing you crazy, ain't nothing quite like you. Love like this keeps going and going, I cannot forget you. If you saw me now, would you recognize me or would you call me out? I know it's been a while, but I'm still me. But honestly, it's been so long that I wouldn't be offended if you didn't even feel me. There's a gap now, big enough to make us forget.